Coffee almond crisps recipe irresistibly crunchy and full of flavor. Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have an amazing treat in store for you, coffee almond crisps. These delectable biscuits are loaded with the nutty goodness of almonds and a hint of coffee flavor that will surely delight your taste buds. So let's dive right into the recipe and bake up some delightful coffee almond crisps. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, room temperature. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup sliced almonds. 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Creaming the butter and sugar. In a mixing bowl, add the softened unsalted butter and granulated sugar. Using an electric mixer, cream them together until light and fluffy. Incorporating the coffee and vanilla. Add the instant coffee powder and vanilla extract to the butter-sugar mixture. Continue to mix until the coffee is well incorporated, and you have a smooth, fragrant mixture. Adding the dry ingredients. Gradually add the all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt to the wet ingredients. Mix on low speed until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as we want our crisps to be tender and crunchy. Folding in the almonds. Gently fold in the sliced almonds, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Shaping the crisps. Now, scoop a tablespoon-sized portion of dough and roll it into a ball. Place the ball on the lined baking sheet and use your fingers to gently flatten it into a thin disc. Repeat this process, leaving enough space between each crisp on the baking sheet. Baking the coffee almond crisps. Slide the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake the crisps for 12–15 minutes, or until they turn golden brown around the edges. Cooling and storing. Once the crisps are baked to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve and enjoy. Your coffee almond crisps are now ready to enjoy. Grab a cup of your favorite hot beverage and indulge in the irresistible crunch and coffee-infused deliciousness. There you have it, folks, a delightful and straightforward recipe for coffee almond crisps. These delectable treats are perfect for coffee or tea time and make fantastic gifts for your loved ones. Remember to experiment with the recipe and make it your own by adding a touch of your favorite spices or chocolate chips. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for joining us today, and happy baking!
Introducing the Happy Christmas Skull Mug, the perfect blend of holiday cheer and edgy style. With its eye-catching red background and black skull heads design, this mug is sure to turn heads. The unique feature of 7 skull heads on the back adds an extra touch of intrigue. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or enjoying a cozy evening cocoa, this mug will bring a festive vibe to your day. Get into the spirit of the season with the Happy Christmas Skull Mug.